So now we will introduce some of the members of the Kujisan Wheel Tech Racing Team from Luzon. Now they traveled from Luzon, and also we have a local here from Leyte and Southern Leyte, Kauban na to. But first we will introduce, it's a lady rider, member of the Kujisan Wheel Tech Racing Team. And here, she is 14 years old only, no? Very young, from Taytay, Rizal. Let's give it to Miss Shanaya Tamayo. Good morning, Shanaya.
Good morning.
Shana, sorry, correct me. I stand corrected. Shana Tamayo. Good morning. Salamat sa pupunta mag-visit mo dito sa favorite music radio and sa Southern Leyte. So how was it? When did you arrive here in Southern Leyte?
Well, I arrived just yesterday actually.
Yesterday.
I was able to take a quick peek in the track, and so far I'm loving Leyte. And
lots of greens so far.
Yeah.
So, Shana, what age did you start liking or loving motocross?
Well, I started riding at the age of 4, but I never really...
4 years old? Wow.
I never really gotten serious to it until I was like 9. I started getting good in motocross, and I started actually getting faster in it when I was around 11.
11. Wow, that's amazing. Who introduced to you the sport?
Well, my dad used to be a motocross rider. He was actually under Coach Dodong Galia in the 90s. And
in the 90s.
My brother used to race motocross too, but he retired. He got injured earlier. And then I just followed their footsteps. And became
it's a family thing already.
Yeah.
So your brother, your older brother?
Yes.
Is he with you today?
He's not here.
He's not here, but yeah, they will support you, no? And what else? Can we get to know you, like your trivia about yourself, like?
Well, in motocross, they call me Shana Banana.
Shana Banana, that's your nickname in the motocross.
Because it rhymes. Bananas are not exactly my favorite thing.
Yeah, but just because it rhymes, Shana Banana.
Yeah, and I like in motocross. To be honest, the jumps are a lot more fun to in the air with the wind in your face, and
I can imagine a bit, yeah. Although I'm not into the extreme sport, but yeah, it's a really good thing that as young as 4 years old you were already interested into motocross, and then you didn't even feel like or doubted it, like you will feel fear. When you were younger?
Well, when I was younger, my mom always wasn't agreeing to my dad for me to do motocross. She wanted me to be a model. And,
but you can be a model too while not doing motocross.
Yeah.
Do you get offers like endorsements for commercials?
Not really.
Not yet, but maybe soon.
Yeah.
Are you into blogging or not?
Yeah, I blog.
Vlog. I mean. Oh, so now, would you
greatest achievement
your greatest achievement so far?
My greatest achievement was qualifying at Loretta Lynn's. It's the biggest amateur race in the world. It's held at
international
Tennessee in America. Only 42 riders around the world gets to qualify for that, and just being there says a lot, and it makes you one of the 42 fastest riders in America.
Wow, congratulations. Although it's a bit late for us to know because I wasn't really into motocross. Now I will Google some of your details. But invite our listeners and friends, our Leyteño listeners and our Maasin, encourage them to watch your competition. Can you give us the details?
I'm encouraging all of you to watch on June 30, Sunday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It has lots of good races, fun battles, and a national race with riders around the Philippines, and it should be fun. I'll see you guys there.
Yeah, we'll see you there. Maybe my children, my kids would.
You said come,
I'll
you said
introduce them
come.
to Motocross. Yeah, thank you, Shana, Tamayo, and then.
The next day.
Grace Atis para may Shana Banana. And ako na isa na katulong from isa na nakailali. Batbas! Yes, si Wendy. Wendy! Batbas! Take the third position! Ako din nagsugat itao nito eh. Say, bakbak! Birahe! And ako yan si Web from Albas. Alba Sisters. And Chai Lauron and Marapao. Ayan. Bilak Makay Libay, no? Grace Atis and Shana Banana. Manila versus Ayan. Shana Banana now leading the race. Okay, Fuji-san now leading the race. But Shana Banana. Okay, we have also Shana. Ang bakbakan na dalawa ay walang iwanan sabi ni Atis Vince, walang iwanan siya na yellow flag okay. This is ladies class. Okay, on the lead riding for Koji-san, that is Shana Tamayo, followed by Grace Atis from Mindanao. Ayan. Ang panalo ay si Wendy Balbas. Blue flag, blue flag. Okay, checker flag for mayroon pa tayo isang lap. Okay, hintayin natin. Checker na si Shana and Grace Atis. So we will wait for Okay, 85. 85. Shana. Yes, Shana. Okay, Papa, we are there. Passport. Okay, pahiling na ko na ha. Oh, Shana, Banana, and nagsunod. Paaya din ngalan na rin. Ato pangaon ni ngalan. Bro! Nanglag yung mag-radyo niya ka. Magkabalo ka. Naka-recover pa yun. Grabe rin. No? We will wait for this moment. The first rider and the second.
Hey guys, so the video comes to an end here. I wasn't able to record the heat 2 of the ladies class because sadly my grandpa passed away as I was racing, and I feel really bad about it, and sorry to some of the fans that I ignored that day. I wasn't just feeling myself, and yeah, I dedicate this race to my Lolo Hulk. I love him very much, but yeah, he's in a better place now, and yep. So that's the end of the videos, and I guess see you guys next video.